In the world of gems, the perfect stone has no flaws, just a perfect finish. Now, you can obtain a perfect finish on any type of material with an industrial gem from the Grinding Equipment and Machinery Corporation, LLC, the innovators in microfinishing systems and technology. The incredible versatility of the gem microfinishing process offers the ultimate in uniform, specific, and predictable surface finishing regardless of the type of parts, surface finish, or surface profile required for your operation. GEM can provide the equipment that will produce your specific finish time after time. GEM has a system to meet your needs, whether your parts are as small as 3 millimeters in diameter or as large as 16-foot diameter drums, as soft as rubber and urethane, or as hard as tungsten carbide, with very smooth finishes or very coarse finishes. Whether it's for specific applications, production machines, retrofits, or one-of-a-kind applications, GEM can help you. Since 1983, GEM and GEM licensees have shipped nearly 1,000 machines to customers in the United States and to some 40 foreign countries. From their beginnings in the basement of our founder's home, GEM has expanded twice and currently has a modern machining and assembly facility in Youngstown, Ohio. To date, they have shipped their equipment to over 60% of the U.S. Fortune 50 companies with finishing operations. Satisfied customers realize that there is a world of difference with GEM microfinishing systems, and that difference is changing the way customers are microfinishing their products. One of the keys to the success of GEM Grinding Equipment and Machinery Corporation is that they can provide specific, consistent, and repeatable surfaces on virtually any type of material anywhere in the world. Customers realize the benefits of microabrasive films that are available in many different grains, and the fact that GEM microfinishing equipment can be easily mounted onto existing equipment or integrated into a wide variety of production operations. Microfinishing technology, which was once used primarily by the automotive industry, is now also available and used extensively by hydraulic manufacturers and the printing industry in the production of compressors, pumps, photocopiers, and shock absorbers, and also in steel mills and paper mills, just to name a few. For roll finishing applications or other types of finishing where retrofit systems are needed, GEM offers 2, 4, 8, and 12-inch abrasive width systems. The 2-inch product is designed for smaller shops, while the 4-inch unit is designed as a general-purpose piece of equipment. The more productive 8-inch abrasive width system is designed for larger finishing applications, such as calendar rolls used in paper mills or large drums used for making copper foil. The retrofit systems can be installed in most operations in as little as 4 hours on any lathe or roll grinder. Retrofit units can be incorporated into any production environment in any number of methods. Here are some recent examples of successful uses of GEM equipment. One customer recently finished actuators for high-quality servo valves used on Patriot missiles. Another customer replaced the wheel heads on an automated grinder with one of GEM's 8-inch retrofit machines. Yet another customer, a manufacturer of compressor bearings, called on GEM to build a centerless system to achieve a specific bearing area on the surface of their component. With GEM equipment, this customer not only obtained the desired bearing area profile, but simultaneously reduced production time to just 1 shift. The reasonable purchase price of a GEM machine is only one part of the benefits customers enjoy. Another benefit is the low maintenance cost associated with GEM equipment. Virtually maintenance-free operation is the successful end result of the fully welded and thermally stress-relieved fabrication used in GEM equipment. Last year, even with nearly 1,000 machines in operation, some for well over a decade, less than 2% of GEM's annual revenue was generated from the sale of spare parts. Jim Robinson of Ohio Roll Grinding, who purchased a GEM machine back in 1985, is testimony to GEM equipment.
Once you teach the individual that's operating the unit, once he uses it one time, everything's repeatability. You know, production-wise, you know pretty much within a small amount of time how long it's going to take you to arrive at the desired finishes, as opposed to worrying about what we call in the trade traverse or chatter or raw grit. The GEM unit will give you for reasonable amount of input, top-notch finishes quickly.
Ernest Single of Jeffco Industries, Inc., another satisfied client, also cited these favorable results.
In regards to the utilizing the gem polisher, we have been able to reduce our costs in the final manufacturing stages after finished machining by about 40%.
In 1989, GEM took their established reputation and cylindrical microfinishing technology and applied it to developing standalone machines for production of microfinishing with the development of centerless, multiple head, and plunge finishing machine designs. They have also designed customized finishing equipment to meet specific or unique customer needs. One rotary engine manufacturer called on GEM to design and build a piece of machinery that would automatically finish the inside of a rotary engine housing that had been plasma spray coated with tungsten carbide. Incorporating a new and innovative method of rotating the housing, GEM engineers designed a system that not only met all of the contract specifications, but managed to reduce finishing to less than half the specified production rate. GEM was subsequently awarded a patent for their unique method of rotating the engine housing. Another manufacturer of transmission yokes came to GEM and asked for an unusual and highly specific surface finish that would prolong seal life. GEM designed and built a dual-head plunging machine in 1991 that provided the surface finish profile for the customer's requirement and also included the flexibility to provide many different finish polishes that will also satisfy the customer's anticipated future finish requirement. This customer was so satisfied with the results of his initial machine that he contacted GEM again in 2007 for another machine to keep up with the increase in volume of his business. In yet another application, a different dual-head machine was designed and built by GEM for a customer who needed a very precise crosshatch pattern with a specific RPM specification for valve stems. This machine was designed to be integrated into a production line using an automated loading system. GEM's ingenious solutions to finishing problems clearly offers the most reliable, cost-effective, and precise methods and equipment available in today's world marketplace. That, coupled with a turnkey approach, from design to installation to startup, helps make for the most complete customer service package. Because of a significant increase in the use of microfinishing, GEM grinding equipment and machinery has grown significantly in the past few years. A staff of world-class designers and technicians have the expertise needed to produce the exact surface finish parameters for any application. SPC data confirms the fact that GEM microfinishing systems provide an extremely predictable and repeatable method of microfinishing your parts. Let the professionals at GEM show you how their microfinishing process can enhance the quality of parts being produced at your plant. Send samples of your specific parts or personally visit GEM's facility to see an actual demonstration of your parts being finished on GEM equipment. We welcome your call or your visit to our website anytime for additional sales information. We know that you will not find a more precise, uniform, cost-effective, productive, and consistent way of achieving quality surface finishes than with GEM's world-class microfinishing equipment. Save both time and money and get better results every time. GEM Grinding Equipment and Machinery Corporation is microfinishing production for the